Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discussing the chapter 7 geometry. So all of you take your textbook page number 86. We can discuss get set go. Name the following shapes. Can you say the name of these figures that is given here? The first figure is a rectangle and second one is triangle. And next is circle and the last one is the square. So we know the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Okay, and its two opposite sides are equal. Okay, and next is the triangle. Triangle has how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners are present in triangle. And the next one is circle. We know circle has no sides and no no vertex. Then next one is the square. Square also has 4 sides and 4 corners. Can you say the difference between the rectangle and square? Both the rectangle and square has 4 sides and 4 corners. But in the case of the square, its all sides are equal. Okay, and in the case of the rectangle, two opposite sides are equal. Here these two sides are equal and the opposite these two sides are equal. Okay, that is the difference between the rectangle and square. Then next one is the plane figures. Square, rectangle, triangle, diamond and are called plane figures or flat shapes. Okay, the square, rectangle and triangle, diamond and circles are called plane figures. Its surface is plane or it is otherwise known as the flat shapes. So we can discuss the plane figures. The first one is the square. This is the diagram of square. The square has 4 sides and 4 corners, and the area that is enclosed in this square is known as square region. Okay, so the area that is enclosed in the square is known as the square region. The next figure is the rectangle. Rectangle also has 4 sides and 4 corners, and here also the area that is enclosed in a rectangle is known as a rectangular region. This is the rectangular region. And the next one is a triangle. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 1, 2, 3. These are the corners of triangles. 3 corners or otherwise known as the vertices. Okay. 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners are present in triangle. Here the area that is enclosed in triangle is known as triangular region. This is the triangular region. And the next plane figure is diamond. This is the shape of diamond. Diamond also have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners are present. The area of the diamond that is enclosed in diamond region is known as diamond region. And the next one is the circle. We know the circle has no sides and no corners. The area inside the circle is known as circular region. Okay, these are the 5 main plane figures: square, rectangle, triangle, diamond and circle. And the next is the solid figures. These are some solid figures that is given here: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. Okay, so these figures are familiar with us. We can discuss more about it. Next one is the surface. The part of a solid which we usually see and touch is called surface. Okay, so the surface is a part of a solid. It is usually we see or touch. It is known as the surface. An object may have different types of surface. So let's learn the surface. So first one is the plane surface. We can see the plane surface in blackboard, table, then floor, etc. The floor, top of table and the blackboard all have only plane surface. So this is the plane or flat surface. And the second one is the curved surface. A ball, an orange, the globe, an egg, an electric bulb all have only curved surface. This is the curved surface. The next one is the plane and curved surface. A candle, pencil, battery cell and chalk all have both plane and curved surface. Plane and curved surface. And next is the faces, edges and vertices of solid figures. We already see some solid shapes. They are cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere. So next is the number of faces, edges, vertices of the solid figures. Okay, so this is the face of a solid figures. The outer surface of a solid is known as its face. Okay, the outer surface of a solid is known as the face, and two faces meet to make an edges. This is one face and this is another face. These two faces are meet to form the edge. Okay, and the corner is known as the vertex, and this is edges, and the outer surface is known as the faces. So we can discuss the number of faces, edges and vertices of different solid shapes. First one is the cube. This is the figure of cube. You can dice is an example of cube. You can count the number of faces, edges and vertices of the dice. It is an example of cube. So the cube have 6 faces. 6 face means the outer surface, and 12 edges and 8 vertices. Like the cuboid also has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. And next is the cone. Cone is also another solid figure. It has only 2 faces and 1 edge, then 1 vertex. And next is the cylinder. Cylinder has 3 faces, 1, 2 faces, 3 faces, 1, 2, 3 faces and 2 edges, and it has no vertex. Then this is the sphere. Sphere has only 1 face and it has no edges and no vertex. Okay. Then next is the exercise 7a. Question number 1, give one word answer. That is your homework. And question number 2, tick the correct shape. What is the shape of this jar? Cylinder or cone? This is looking like a cylinder. And next is a dais. Dais is a shape of cube shape. And next is a cuboidal shape. And this is a globe. What is the shape of a globe? Sphere. And this is a birthday cap. The shape of this cap is cone shaped cap. And next is a battery cell. Battery cell is looking like a cylinder. Then next question number 3, name any 3 objects which have flat surface. You can write the examples of the 3 objects which have flat surface. Then name any 3 objects which has curved surface. We know lemon, ball, orange has the curved surface. And name any 3 objects which have both flat and curved surface. Both flat and curved surface. Candle, pencil, battery cell has both a curved and flat surface. Next is your homework. I am already say about the homework. Exercise 7a question number 1 is your homework. Then another homework is draw the figures given below. They are rectangle, triangle, square, circle. Okay. So that's all about today's topic. Thank you.